Bosch is a well-known and respected brand in the power tool industry, and for good reason. They produce high-quality and reliable power tools that are built to last. So in today's video, we'll show you the 10 new Cool Bosch Power Tools just for you. Bosch EasyCut 12 is an excellent solution for quickly making straight cuts in light woodworking projects. This uniquely made tool features an innovative nano blade technology that enables you to make freehand cuts without clamping down the workpiece. With a compact design and great ergonomics, it's perfect for indoor and outdoor sawing. Moreover, the tool allows for easy blade changes without any hassle, eliminating the need to tension and oil the chain. Notably, it also comes equipped with Sign-on chip technology, which prolongs the and enhances productivity. Overall, the Bosch EasyCut 12 is a versatile and efficient saw that will make your woodworking projects a breeze. Don't get fooled by its look. This Bosch IX06 super versatile screwdriver comes in a compact, lightweight, and easy-to-use profile. Whether you're putting together flat-pack furniture or tackling general home repairs, this screwdriver has got you covered. With its variable speed switch, you'll have complete control over your screwdriver, ensuring you do the job right every time. And that's not all. The IX06 Classic also boasts a redesigned soft grip handle that feels great in your hand, as well as an LED light that illuminates your work area. Plus, it comes with a forward and reverse switch, so you can easily switch between putting things together and taking them apart. So why wait? Get your hands on the IX06 Classic today and start tackling those DIY projects with ease. Whether you're stapling and nailing as a hobby, upholstery, or DIY project, the Bosch Universal Tacker delivers maximum comfort and power. One of the standout features of this tracker is its handy impact force setting, which lets you easily adjust the stapler to the perfect setting for the task at hand, ensuring the best possible results every time. And when you need to work quickly, the impact force at the bottom of the stapler makes fastening jobs a breeze. Additionally, the Universal Tacker comes with 1,000 staples of Type 53, so you can get started on your project right away. Worried about compatibility? Not an issue. The Universal Tacker has interchangeable batteries and supports 8 different brands. Anyone looking for a powerful and versatile stapler that makes their work faster and more efficient, the Universal Tracker is the ultimate way. Painting projects and varnish projects isn't as easy as it sounds. But if you have this Bosch Easy Spray by your side, you'll get them done in no time with the highest precision. Because the cordless spraying system is so easy and intuitive to use and guarantees to make your DIY projects more exciting than a roller coaster ride. Jokes aside, this spray system is so lightweight and ergonomic, meaning you'll feel like you're wielding a ray gun from a sci-fi movie. And with its separation of spray and blower units, it's lighter than a feather on a spring breeze. With the convenient Easy Select Paint Volume control, it allows you to adjust the spray pattern to suit your needs, whether you're going for a horizontal, vertical, or round spray pattern. So, say goodbye to all those tedious roller paintings today. For those extremely irritated with bulky, heavy garden saws that just don't cut it, the Bosch Keo Garden Saw will surely be a godsend tool. It simply revolutionizes the way you tackle your pruning and trimming tasks. First, it features a Swiss precision blade, which lets you easily cut through branches up to 80 millimeters thick with just the push of a trigger. And thanks to its compact and ergonomic design, you'll be able to complete low to heavy-duty jobs without worrying about getting tired or sore. Most importantly, the Keo's game-changing feature is the detachable A-grip, which makes sure of absolutely hassle-free completion of demanding jobs. You no longer have to struggle with holding branches in place. The grip will do that on its own while leaving your hands free to focus on making precision cuts. Ever thought of changing your conventional drill driver? If so, then you better get your eyes on these Bosch professional cordless drill drivers that'll save your day from all the extra hassle. These bad boys may look small, but they pack up powerful punch that will blow your mind. The best part of this tool is it offers a substantial runtime, so you can drive around 770 screws per charge. But wait, there's more. It boasts a brushless EC motor with great motor protection EMP, which produces a whopping 18 Newton meters of torque, giving you ultimate strength for tough tasks. It also comes with a short head length, which stands for all confined spaces. Meanwhile, the belt and bit holder makes you work even easier. You'll wonder how you ever lived without the Bosch GSR10 8-volt EC professional cordless drill drivers. It's time to take your construction game to the next step with the Bosch GRL650 CHVG leveling tool. This tool is ideal for various applications in construction and surveying. Thanks to the robust and innovative design, it ensures ultimate protection against up to 2-meter tripod tip-over and IP68 protection against dust and water, including the battery compartment. Plus, the leveling tool is perfect for various applications such as concrete pouring, excavation, suspended ceiling installations, and framing. Most importantly, it offers a long operation time and features a convenient screen that visualizes and simplifies main functions, including slope setting. And the green laser beam? Well, it gives even better visibility in different lighting conditions, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. When dealing with uneven wooden surfaces, you often get annoyed, don't you? That's where the Bosch Planer comes in, handy to bring smooth and even wooden surfaces without much effort. With its compact size and precise control, this tool can easily access in the tightest spaces. Plus, you can adjust the planing depth with the simple press of a release button, customizing your work to suit your needs. On top of that, the planer features a V-groove mechanism that ensures excellent edge chamfering for a professional finish. Thanks to the ergonomic design and optimized hand position, this planer never causes noticeable hand fatigue, even after prolonged use. Next on the list isn't a tool. This Bosch Trio nozzle is a versatile accessory for pressure washers that allows users to switch between 3 different spray patterns, including a pencil jet, high-speed rotary jet, and broadly fixed fan jet. Each pattern is optimized for specific cleaning tasks, such as removing stubborn dirt or rinsing large surfaces. The best part of this trio nozzle is its quick changeability. You can change it in no time whenever the job calls you. Simply attach the nozzle to your pressure washer and blow away all the specks of dirt. Well, we've discussed some tools here, but how will you store them safely without a storage system? That's why Bosch designed these system boxes, which eliminate all the struggle of keeping your tools and accessories organized and within reach. These innovative storage boxes offer straightforward and clear storage of individual items, making it easy to stay organized and efficient. And what makes the system boxes so great? They are individually expandable, so you can store different sized tools and accessories safely. And not just that, these boxes are extremely durable and very easy to transport with their vertical and horizontal handles. With Bosch system boxes, you can say goodbye to disorganized toolboxes and hello to the ultimate tool storage solution. Okay, that was the list of the 10 coolest Bosch power tools you should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.